In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Canva designs on Squarespace. Whether you're looking to spruce up your website with a touch of creativity or integrate a beautifully designed graphic, this process is simple and straightforward. So, let's dive right into it. First, head over to the Canva homepage. If you haven't already logged in, make sure you do so using your credentials. Canva offers a wide range of design templates, suited for almost every need you can imagine, from social media graphics to professional presentations. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to decide which design you'd like to add to your Squarespace site. Perhaps it's a stunning infographic, a beautifully crafted poster, or even a customized logo for your brand. After you've chosen the perfect design, the next step is to locate and click on the Share button, which you can easily find in the upper right corner of the Canva interface. This button is pivotal for making your design accessible elsewhere, including on your Squarespace site. When you click Share, a drop-down menu appears. Here, you'll want to select the Embed option. This is crucial because embedding allows for seamless integration of your Canva design onto your web page. Once you hit Embed, you'll be presented with an embed code. It's a snippet of HTML code that needs to be copied. Click on the Copy button, ensuring you have the complete code, as you'll be pasting this into your Squarespace site in a moment. Next, navigate to your Squarespace site. Log in, if you're not already, and go to the specific page where you'd like to add your Canva design. Once there, look for the option to Add Block. This will open up a range of different content blocks available for use. Select Embed, which opens a new window where you can input your Canva code. Now, click on Edit. Once the editing options appear, choose the Code Snippet option. This area is where you'll place the copied embed code from Canva. Click on Embed Data and paste your embed code right there. Be sure to double-check that the entire code has transferred over correctly, as missing elements can lead to display issues. Finally, after pasting your embed code, don't forget to click on Save. This final step ensures that your changes are registered and that the Canva design is now live on your Squarespace site. And there you have it, a professionally designed Canva element added to your site, enhancing both its aesthetic and functional appeal. Now you can witness the magic unfold as your site visitors enjoy the new addition. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has empowered you to integrate creative designs into your Squarespace site effortlessly. Until next time, happy designing!